My name is Ian and I will be making a fun snack mix created from the culinary students of Brewer High School. Before you start cooking, you'd want to wash your hands with soap and water so that way you don't get anything in there that's bad for you. You will need measuring cups, measuring spoons, a cutting board, a butter knife, a mixing bowl, a spoon, and 2 sandwich bags. You will need 1/4 of a cup of apricot halves, 2 tablespoons of dried figs, 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries, 22 mini pretzel twists, 1 pinch of tahini seasoning. Cut up the apricot and figs into small pieces. Then you will want to get all of your ingredients and then put them inside of a bowl. Mix all your ingredients with a spoon. Then you will want to get all your ingredients, and then put them inside your sandwich bags. Then whenever you're done, you will want to close your bags and then they're ready to eat.